go get boba tea.
It is. I know I said boba tea is overrated, but I had to go back because this place was just too cute not to go back. And honestly, I appreciate a good cute place. I really do. Like, I wanted all those stuffies. I really did. I brought my little brother with me this time. He got a coffee and milkshake boba tea and he really enjoyed it.
It's good. It's cheers.
Dad tried it and he had no opinions. I got my regular chocolate milkshake boba tea and it was lovely. Jay's tried mine too and he preferred mine, honestly. Then we head back home. I mean, it is still overrated, but it is a sweet treat and it fills your belly. Honestly, it does. As much as it does cost Hot Wings big box, it's worth it. Now we're heading back home. Bye Dayz. See you on another day.